Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Removing the filter is a straightforward process that will greatly enhance your vacuum's efficiency. Start by unplugging your Dyson DC22 from the power source. This is critical for your safety. Next, locate the exhaust filter, which is generally found at the top of the vacuum. To access it, you will need to remove the top cover. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the screws holding the cover in place. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe location for reassembly later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off. This will expose the exhaust filter chamber. Carefully pull out the old filter. You might notice some dust buildup around it. It's a good idea to clean the inside of the chamber with a soft cloth to ensure no debris is left behind. Now, take your new Dyson exhaust filter and insert it into the chamber. Make sure it fits snugly. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After the new filter is in place, it's time to reattach the cover. Align it properly and use the Phillips head screwdriver to secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that the cover is tightly fastened to avoid any air leaks. Once the cover is back on, plug in your Dyson DC22 and power it on. Allow it to run for a few minutes to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues or if the vacuum does not perform as expected, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't need to worry about transporting your vacuum. Additionally, remember that we always provide a quote before any repair. This ensures you know exactly what to expect in terms of cost, which can save you from unexpected surprises. Finally, make sure to regularly check and replace the exhaust filter as part of your routine maintenance. This will help keep your Dyson DC22 running efficiently for years to come. If you have any questions during the process or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help, and with our services, there are no calls, no travel. Everything can be handled right from your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.